No, get down, down.
This is me, 7 years ago, making YouTube videos that had no real direction and no real value. This is how I would start a YouTube channel knowing everything I know now. Let me start by saying that the riches are in the niches, especially when you first start out. This is something I did not do.
So take your time and really try and get clear about 2 to 3 topics that your channel will be based around. My channel now is all around personal finance, marketing, and teaching people how to make money online, cutting out all of the bull. You need to remember that although people are coming in for the content, you want them to hang around because of you.
It's for you.
So don't let your personality hide behind the value-based content, which I have definitely been guilty of before. The next thing I would do is go and set up a board on Notion. This is going to be our hub for everything YouTube related. You want to set this board up as a timeline from start to finish of what it takes to make a video. Something like this: not started, shortlisted, researched, video script written, ready to film, filming, editing, and scheduled. Now we've got our structure down, we want to go and pack our board out with as many content ideas as possible. This is my challenge to you. Go grab a timer, set it for 30 minutes, and you're going to search through YouTube using this content idea strategy.
Step 1. Find other popular creators in your niche. Step 2. Go to the videos on their channel and filter by most popular videos. Step 3. Analyze these videos and work out which videos have done well for this creator, aka the videos that have got the most amount of views in the least amount of time. Step 4. Jot down the titles of these videos in your not started section on Notion. Disclaimer: do not watch these videos. We want to recreate these videos in our own way, not how this creator made it. Step 5. Rinse and repeat this method until you have got at least 24 video titles in Notion.
Now we want to make a realistic schedule for uploading content. If you're just starting out, I would recommend just trying to upload once a week and try and get your subscribers used to expecting a video from you on that specific date and time. Pick 4 video titles from this list and go ahead and write a script for each of these videos. This is something that I never used to do, but when you do write scripts, it makes the whole process so much easier.
The filming process becomes quicker, the editing process becomes quicker, and everything else that follows.
When you script out videos, it will be hard for you to stick to that script exactly. So play around with writing full scripts and just doing talking points and bullet points. This is something you should try and just see what you personally prefer. Once you have all 4 video scripts done, now set a time to record all of these videos in one day. Make sure that you change clothes in between different videos. This is just going to make it look like all of your videos were filmed on different days, when in reality we filmed all of them on the same day. We've got a lot of editing to do, so make sure to block out some time on your calendar to have some editing sessions. I've got a ton of videos here on the channel about how to edit your videos for YouTube, so go ahead and check out the channel if you need to learn a little bit more about the editing process. Alternatively, if you do have the budget to hire an editor straight off the back, then go and do so. If editing isn't your forte and you don't want to develop your editing skills, I've always been a video editor, so I personally really enjoy it. And I also feel like if you're making personal brand content, it's good to edit your own videos because your personality comes through in the edit, whereas if someone else is editing it for you, it can come out very, very different. Titles and thumbnails. Now the harsh reality of this is it doesn't matter how good your video is if people don't click on it. When you're doing your research of videos that have done well, pay close attention to the titles and thumbnails. Be asking yourself the question, why has so many people clicked on this video? To be entertained, to get educated, to be inspired? All of these things will help you develop the skill to make titles and thumbnails that people actually want to click on. But one major thing is, please do not use a screenshot from the video. Take the time to make a custom thumbnail for every video you upload. Keep track of the CTR percentage, which basically just means click-through rate. This is going to tell you the percentage of people that have been shown your video on YouTube and have actually clicked on the video to go ahead and watch it. The aim of the game for this is, of course, to get this click-through rate as high as possible. But in all honesty, just play around with them, try and have fun with them, and you will get better over time. Once you've edited all of the videos, go ahead and schedule them out for the same day, the same time for the next 4 weeks. And that's going to be our content formula. And once you've done the 4 videos, rinse and repeat this whole process and create the next 4 videos. So if you're out and about and you think of a video idea, you can just put that straight into Notion. So the next time you sit down to plan some videos, you've got a ton more ideas. YouTube SEO. Having the SEO done correctly is what allowed me to get a lot of organic views on my videos. That's why answering specific questions in your videos will allow you to put all of those specific keywords that people are searching for in the description of those videos. With that being said, it's a good time time to talk about the partner of today's video, and that is TubeBuddy. I would definitely recommend going and using TubeBuddy to make sure that all of your YouTube videos are correctly optimized. Now, TubeBuddy is completely free, but there is a paid option, and that is what I personally use. So if you do want to go and check that out, I've left it as the first link in the description. I've got another video on the channel all about TubeBuddy and how you can optimize your SEO using this tool. So go ahead and check out that video after this one.
How to make money from your first YouTube upload.
Some people think that YouTube AdSense is the only way that YouTubers make money, and 9 times out of 10, that is not the case. I was making money on YouTube since I first started uploading videos, mainly because I was promoting my skills and services in the videos. If you're a long-time subscriber of the channel, you know when I first started uploading YouTube videos, I was working full-time in a gym. Members were watching the videos and on the back of that, booking in personal training sessions with me. At the time, I was just getting started with social media marketing, so creating promo videos for clients, editing YouTube videos for clients, managing social media accounts for clients, and I was always talking about this and plugging it in every single video. So think about the skills that you have outside of creating YouTube videos that you can promote as a service. This is also a very good way at getting better at creating sponsored videos and brand deal ads. Why not show potential partners that you are capable of promoting services and products from the get-go? By doing this, it's not going to shock your subscribers when you start trying to sneak in those little brand deals after you get people reaching out to you. Even with a very low amount of subscribers, I was getting brands reaching out to me to help them create content for their business. With that being said, looking back at it now, there's plenty of ways that you could have optimized that using funnels and questionnaires in your actual YouTube videos. And now I obviously do that using services like Lead Pages and Calendly. You can also include affiliate links to products and services that you use and would recommend to your audience. This way, if any of your audiences go through that link and sign up to the service or the product, then you will get a small commission for sending them to that company. I've also got all of the gear that I use for YouTube videos in the description as well. So same again, if someone goes and clicks on one of those links and buys it through Amazon, I'll also get a small commission. Stay consistent with uploading videos, keep getting better every single day, and most importantly, enjoy the process. It's no good creating a successful YouTube channel that you don't enjoy running. If you got all the way to the end of the video, there is absolutely no reason for you not to subscribe to the channel, and it's good for you to know that if you don't subscribe to the channel, I will hire someone to find you. Can be in the video. No, get down, down. It's a little bit funny. Bus keeps driving past. These lights are pretty sick, you know.